XR or VR AR has been called the last platform, the final medium. I'm Niklas from VR Sverige, and I'm here to talk about Immersive Open House. Anyone in the VR and AR industry, whether you're an enthusiast or a seasoned professional, should come, and anyone in the media and storytelling world. Filmmakers, journalists, decision makers. It's a place where business and connections happen. Our old event series, which was called VR AR Open House before, we're now relaunching it as an event once every 2 months. We have lots of fun stuff planned. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. This time around, we have a stage program of 6 awesome speakers. We're going to hear from Warpin, Kungliga Operan, DN, and a few others that will blow the audience socks off. We're going to have a VR cinema showing, lots of exhibitors, VR stations of our own. The new venue is smack middle of city on Drottninggatan 33 from 5:30 to about 9 p.m. on October the 16th. There's magic within interaction that happens in VR storytelling. That borderland is really what makes it awesome.